Hello and welcome. Let's learn about bar graphs. Why make a bar graph? Well, we can create a picture of categorical data by creating a bar graph. For instance, if we have a list of people's favorite food, we can organize all that data into a picture like you see here. Let's look at an example. Here we have a table that shows us the top 10 most popular movies. And we want to make a bar graph of the ratings. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw an axis where the rating is on the horizontal axis on the bottom, and the frequency, or how often each of these ratings appear, is going to be numbered on the vertical axis on the left here. We're then going to count how many times PG-13 appears and put a bar that is that high. So for instance, 3 movies are rated PG-13. So the bar above PG-13 is going to be 3 units tall. Then we're going to count how many movies are rated R, and that's going to be 7 tall. Last but not least, there is one movie with no rating, so there is going to be a bar that is 1 unit tall above no rating. Now, what conclusions can we make from this bar graph? Well, because the bar above R is much taller, we can say that most of the movies are rated R. But there might be other conclusions that you can draw, and I challenge you to look for those on your own. I hope this video was helpful, and that you visit us again.